2024 Honda Civic. It's a base model, touring. We're slapping a single exit Median Racing exhaust on this thing. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this dual exhaust from the factory, get rid of these mufflers, get rid of this midsection. We're doing high flow, single exit, baby. This is for racing, all right? And if you're trying to make performance, you want to build this performance on this Civic, do an air intake, full exhaust, maybe front pipe, down pipe, you know, and then tune it. Taste swap that thing, all right? And you know, how many fucking horsepower you can get out of a taste swap? 1 million, all right? So if you want a Civic, you want to make some performance, start with the Median Racing, available at gexhaust.com. This guy didn't get it from gexhaust.com. He gets his own parts. He's got plugs in China, all right? So anyways, long story short, we're slapping this Median Racing single exit. We got to change out this little diffuser piece right here, just so it fits the single exit. You got that right here. You can get that from the factory. Honda Direct, baby. Boom. Slapped it on right there. It's going to be a single exit swap on this brand new Civic. 2024 Civics sound great, guys. So they're all turbo now, which is pretty awesome. So like I said, we're slapping this bolt on there. We're going to drop this stock system, get rid of the dual exit, slap a single exit, and make this thing sound sweet, guys. So the 2024 Honda Civic has 180 horsepower. It's not much, but it's a pretty sweet base. Got 38 miles a gallon highway, which is outrageous. That's almost like a hybrid, guys. But if you decide to upgrade them, they're very upgradable. There's a ton of parts available for this car. Available at gexhaust.com. Keep in mind, go to the website, check it out, type in your 2024 Civic. They'll populate a bunch of different stuff, guys. So if you did want to hook up your Honda Civic, you got one that looks just like that, you want to slap a single exit like we're doing, just reach out to us. DM us, like, comment, subscribe, and hit us up, guys. We got you. So we got the Median Racing catback test fitted. Unfortunately, it was touching the gas tank and heat shield. We're pretty sure it's for the coupe. This is a 4-door sedan. So what we did is basically cut out the section, had Gio right here, Master Fabricator. Tell him, Gio, Master Fabricator. All right, he fabricated that pipe. Looking crispy. Now test fitted, not touching the gas tank, not touching the heat shield. Still a bolt-on kit, left the 2 clamps up front and in the back. Now it's gonna fit like a glove, baby, but sound exactly the same. Customer wanted to put the stock system back on. They're like, we got a solution for you here at G Exhaust. We got Geo, baby.
Bad boy sound and this a bad boy sound.
So the Civic is done. Got that Median Racing system on there. You can see that trash in the back. All right, customer wanted his system. It's damn hot, so I'm turning up the AC. The new Honda's got new knobs and stuff. It's pretty sweet. Look at this thing. Mesh grill on the hood and AC vent. It's huge ass AC vent on this thing. Pretty pimp. Got some copyright sports casting. Can't show that. And yeah, new infotainment system. Touch screen, as you guys can see. Boom, boom. Sick. New Hondas, man, they're really stepping it up. So yeah, as you guys can hear, the Median Racing system is pretty mild. Nothing too crazy. I guess when you put a downpipe on this thing, it'll really wake up. But cruising idle, 1500 RPM, nothing crazy. That's the jingling of the stock exhaust. Keep that in mind. You gotta put your seatbelts on for safety purposes. I don't know what this is. This Temu armrest. Get this at temu.com, guys. I don't know what this is. This is for your head. Yes, he has a short arm. I don't know. It's for the short arm. It's cool, I guess. Maybe stuff stops, you know, getting stuck in between this little crack right here. But yeah, Civic sounds pretty sweet. I'm gonna give it a couple neutral revs. Not bad, not bad. Pulling up to the shop, you guys can see the lineup. You got an AMG, 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 and a fucking bitch ass Tesla. Fake AMG. You see that fake AMG right here? Zoom in on that, Jay. It's got quad AMG tips, but it's a formatted C300. Make it sound like an AMG if you want, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, Median Racing system on there. Got some nice clean revs, nothing too aggressive. Very mild system. I kind of like that out of the Civics. Yeah, pretty mild system, nothing too crazy. Sounds good. I think the customers should be happy. Let me put this in sport drive mode. Doesn't change the tone much. Things even got YouTube. You can follow us on YouTube on the Civics. Sick. Boom. YouTube, baby. That's awesome. How come you don't have G exhaust in the YouTube search? Come on, man.
No,
What is that?
you want me to do it?
Yeah, bro. Come on. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
I was gonna look at it.
Yeah. Come on. Look, this is all you do, guys. Boom. Subscribe, baby.